Are you struggling with your Azure function not triggering at the scheduled time? You're not alone. This is a common issue that many developers face, and today we're going to dive into how to troubleshoot it. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when your scheduled tasks don't run as expected. It can feel like you're wasting time and effort. You're definitely not the only one experiencing this. Let's look at a specific case. One user has set up an Azure function in a consumption plan, scheduled to run every day at 4 in the morning UTC. However, it only triggers when they are logged into the portal. If this sounds familiar, stick around as we explore solutions. So, what could be causing this issue? The Azure function should ideally trigger based on the cron expression set in the function JSON file. However, it seems like the function goes to sleep when not in use, which is common in consumption plans. Don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I will share a crucial tip that could help you avoid this issue in the future. To address the issue of the Azure function not triggering at the scheduled time, the user should first verify the cron expression in the function JSON file. The current expression is set to trigger at 4 o'clock UTC every day. Next, the user should check the Azure Functions consumption plan settings. It's important to ensure that the function is not going to sleep due to inactivity. The consumption plan should automatically scale, but there are some nuances. The user can also consider implementing a workaround by using a timer trigger with a shorter interval. Since the function worked when scheduled to run every 2 hours, this indicates that the longer interval may be causing the issue. Lastly, the user should monitor the function's logs for any errors or warnings. This can provide insights into why the function is not triggering as expected when logged out of the portal. Fun fact: did you know that Azure Functions can scale automatically based on demand? But sometimes they need a little nudge to wake up. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution shared by another user suggests that deleting and redeploying the Azure function in a new function app may resolve the triggering issue. They found that this approach did not reproduce the problem. Additionally, the Azure team is working on adding internal logging to assist with future diagnostics. Here's a pro tip. If you're using a consumption plan, consider switching to a premium plan if you need your functions to run reliably without manual intervention. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, your Azure function should start triggering as scheduled. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Azure Functions.